Hey students, it's Miss Shofity. I just wanted to give you a little bit of, an overview and some guidance on the Women's History Month mini project. So this came about from a website called Unladylike 2020. And here's just, kind of a intro of that website. You're going to visit that website to find do some research on one of the people from that website. And some of these people we have briefly talked about, like Queen Lilio Kehlani, and some we haven't talked about at all, but that doesn't mean they're not important. That just means there's too many very important women. It's hard to get them all in. So anyway, Miss Coffee and I tried to make this pretty straightforward, giving you steps. So, we'll kind of go in order, and then I'll also show you the website, and then I'll show you the Padlet. So step 1 is going to that website, Unladylike 2020. Step 2 is reading the captions for all of the videos listed. Reading the captions for all of the videos won't take too long, but it will give you a little bit of information that might help you when you're choosing just one of those women to actually focus on. So when we go to the website, we'll kind of look at what does that mean. Step 3, choose one of the women on that website that you would like to know more about. And then for every single person on the website, there's a video. They're not lengthy, but pick someone who you feel will interest you, someone that maybe, if you're, into swimming, there's a person on there who swim the English Channel. If you are interested in someone who was an equestrian, there's someone on there for you. So anyway, pick someone who interests you. Step 4. While watching the video, answer the questions in paragraph form. And here are the questions. So you really want to pay very close attention, maybe even write the questions down and then jot down some answers just briefly while you're watching the video so that you can write a good paragraph. This needs to be in paragraph form. Step 5. You're going to use that information to create and then submit a pic collage with, some of that stuff. So the things that you need to include in your pic collage are listed there. And then step 6, we want as many people to know about these women who may not be as kind of famous as some other women that are in history books or whatnot. So we want you to share this pic collage and information with one other person who does not attend LNC. So that might mean like an older sibling, a parent, a grandparent, a family friend. But, we just want you to share this information, get it out there, because they may or may not know, these people as well. And then, part also of step 6 is adding the pic collage to the class Padlet. And I've linked each of the class Padlets. They're separate. I've linked each one into the assignment for that class. So, that's kind of an overview of the assignment as it is. So we're going to go to the Unladylike website. All right, so that link will take you here to explore. You can definitely, explore using these profession, identity, geography, historical events. But what I did is I just kind of scrolled through all of them. So here are the little captions that I was talking about in the beginning. Reading the captions will help you maybe to figure out who sounds kind of interesting to me. So there's lots and lots of different people. I actually watched all of these just because I was interested in all of them. And they're all very interesting people. So, on your free time, you may also watch all of them. But like I said, they all have very interesting stories. And, some of these people you may have heard of, and some of them you may not have heard of. When you get down to like the end and it says load more, click on that. And like it says, it will load more of these. I don't know how many in total there are, but there are quite a few. Maybe 25, maybe 30. So you should be able to find someone in this section, of all of the different profiles available that you want to know more about. And then I mentioned Lily Okelani. There's her story right there. So that's kind of where you will be looking. And, you are more than welcome to, go through each of these tags to try to find someone, or you can just do a general search and look through all of these people. So I had mentioned that there's going to be a Padlet where you're going to put your final pic collage and the comment that the person who you share made. So the pic collage, this is fifth period's pic collage, but they all pretty much look similar. You're going to include your name, the name of your unladylike person, the person who you did the profile on, and then the something should be some comment by the person that you share with. So I have not done an edition on this pic collage, but I'm sure that all of these will be really fabulous. So if you need further explanation, be sure to ask questions, Miss Coffee or myself, and we hope you learned something from this mini project for Women's History Month. All right, have a good day.